So we opened the Safety Store in 2010. St. Joseph's Children's Hospital and St. Joseph's Children's Advocacy Center was tired of seeing kids coming to our emergency department with preventable injuries. Like most children's hospitals, we see a lot of kiddos in our emergency center for injuries that could have been prevented. Preventable injuries are the #1 cause of death for children under age 14 and a very common reason for emergency room visits. So what we wanted to do is we wanted to educate families on what they can do to make their homes safer and prevent more injuries. So in the Safety Store, you'll find a wide variety of low-cost injury prevention products, including helmets, first aid kits, car seats, infant seats, booster seats, child-proofing products, cabinet locks, smoke alarms, fire extinguishers, sleep sacks for the crib, and many, many more things to keep your home safe. Today we're celebrating the Safety Store's first birthday. We're really excited. We've been open a year and been able to educate and really reach a lot of families. When families come into the Safety Store, they have the opportunity to meet one-on-one with a trained child advocate. We like to sit down with the families, do a home safety assessment, and talk about ways that they can feel more secure in their home and make it a safer environment for their children. Whether a grandparent, a parent in the community, or visiting our hospital, we welcome everyone to come into the Safety Store. We want to help make our community a safer place for children.